Ndewo. Hello, this is Onye again from I Love Igbo channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning back. And if this is your very first time seeing this channel, you are pretty much welcome to this amazing family. Please consider subscribing to this channel if you haven't subscribed. Like this video and also share this video to someone out there who you think may need it. That's not all. Turn on your post notification bell so that you'll always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Relax as I take you through the Igbo traditional marriage process here in Nigeria. This video is specially dedicated to our non-Igbo brothers who have found their missing rib in the eastern part of Nigeria and are ready to tie the knot soon. Think of this as a friendly guide, so come along with me. This is the story of Obiora and Adaeze, two young souls whose union will pass through the sacred steps of the Igbo traditional marriage before any civil or religious marriage. Step 1. The first introduction, which is also known as Iku Aka n'ụzọ. Obiora, accompanied by his family, to visit Adaeze's family to express his intention. This meeting is a formal way to seek Adaeze's hand in marriage. In this visit, kola nuts are presented. Then, the eldest uncle speaks first. In proverbs and riddles, he would say, "We have seen a beautiful flower growing in your garden, and we've come to pluck it out. Do we have your blessings?" And while no immediate answer is expected, both families share food, drinks, and conversation before parting ways. Step 2. The family background investigation. Ịjụ ajụjụ. Next, both families conduct a family background investigation. They gather information about each other's lineage, character, and social standard to ensure compatibility and to prevent future issues. These investigations are thorough, often done quietly without Obiora and Adaeze's knowledge, and can significantly influence the marriage process. When the answer brings peace, the path is cleared for the next step. Step 3. The bride's price negotiation. Ihu Isiwanye. Obiора's people return to collect the bride's price list. The list is presented. This list details the items the groom must provide for the traditional wedding. During this visit, Adaeze's father formally asks her in front of the guest if she accepts the proposal. Upon her agreement, the bridal list is handed over to Obiора's people. Step 4. The dowry negotiation. Ego isi nwanyị. Dowry negotiation follow. Traditionally, this involves a specific amount of money given by the groom's family. While modernization has lessened this practice, it remains a symbolic gesture in many communities. The dowry amount is agreed upon, and this gesture signifies the groom's commitment and the bride's parents' acceptance. Step 5. Igba Nkwu, the wine carrying ceremony or the traditional wedding ceremony. This is the most festive stage with dancers, singers, and elders watching. Adaeze must find her groom among the crowd. When she spots him and offers him the drink, he accepts it and drinks it. The crowd will cheer. She has chosen him publicly, proudly, and with love. Step 6. New home send-off gift by the bride's parents. Idola. After the traditional wedding, the bride's family provides send-off gifts to help the newlyweds start their new life. This gift can range from household items to a significant financial support. This generous gift symbolizes the family's support and blessings for a prosperous married life. Step 7. Bride's family's first visit to the newlyweds' home. Imata Olodi. This visit is to ensure their daughter is well settled and happy in her new environment. It is a relaxed occasion filled with warmth and love, marking the final step in the traditional Igbo marriage process. These steps, rich in tradition and meaning, ensure that an Igbo marriage is not just a union of two people, but a joining of families and communities. They laid the foundation for a lifetime of happiness and unity. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to join the family, and also share this video to someone you think may need it. Ahambo Onyi, Cordial Bochioza.
Rosemary, our friends, our family members are here. Our family friends are here too, and all our well-wishers are here today. Today is the day you will tell us who is your husband. I'm going to give you this palm wine to give your husband so that he will drink it. Then from there we go on.